So far, so good. Huh? Hey,
Huh?
that's...
That purple cat again, of all places.
I found you, copycat.
Copycat? I think you're the copycat around here. Are you comparing yourself to me? Ha! You're not good enough to be my copy.
I'll make you eat those words.
You should cool down.
Hey, not bad. Do you think you can keep up with me in a race? 1, 2, 3, go! I think I'm starting to enjoy this. And it seems like Sonia's as fast as me without her soul emeralds. How did you... Oh, come on! That's cheating! Roller skates? Really?
They're air shoes.
Let's dance.
Blizzard, what are you doing? Hurry and get back here before the island blows up with you on it!
Damn it!
Blows up? I've got to get out of here and find my friends right away.